Hey guys, so we're going to drink all of our Sprite, and then we're going to try not to burp. You ready? It's burning.
Whose Sprite is this? Somebody had Sprite. Drink that too. Hey, you both went in there and grabbed Sprites? I'm telling you, that's it. I'm telling you, that's it. Socks are these Masons? Are these your socks? Those are roses?
We both drank two. You drank one, there's nothing in that. No. There's more in there. Okay. I'm gonna explode. Why would we do this? Oh. Oh. That was not good. Oh. Okay, we can burp now. I can't. That was unhealthy. Oh, I call the last cookie. Can Rose have a cookie? Pepe! Just splitting it. Rose is eating the last cookie. I'm splitting it. Goodbye, my fellow humans.